Yeah, here we are, Mont Saint Anne, Canada. Getting the pits all set up. We've got a track walk this afternoon, so looking forward to it.
Yeah, I've heard there's rumours of a few changes on the track up there. Whether they're going to be good or not, I'm not sure, but yeah, it's going to be interesting.
Fast and rough.
Same goal as always, mate, to get out in our box.